Hello guys, let's know how to connect your mobile YouTube cast to your projector. Look here, this is projector screen, and this is mobile. And how to connect your mobile YouTube screen on your projector. At first you should connect the same Wi-Fi or same hotspot network. Connect your mobile phone and connect your projector. Let's check it out. Go to settings and check network and internet at TechNet, and I am ensure this the projector and the my mobile same network. Look here TechNet and look here TechNet, the same Wi-Fi connect both mobile and projector. Now go to YouTube from your projector home screen and go to your phone YouTube home screen. Now you go to your projector settings, the corner down settings icon, and you trying to connect other option and home screen, and there is cast option. You look here, this is the cast option. Click here and searching here. If a new device is showing here, then you can click and connect your projector and mobile YouTube screen. There is searching, this is not working, you have other solution. Connect with TV code. You can go to settings, your projector YouTube home screen settings. Here click and you looking here link with TV code. Click here. Now a code is showing here. You type this code in your mobile YouTube dashboard. You go to your phone and click here cast option, and first number option is linked with TV code. Click here and type the code. The code is 083489 083489 268701 268701. Okay, link. Click here to link, and now you looking here the change. You look here the mobile screen and continue. You can continue or cancel, not problem. I give the cancel. Now play a video. I playing on my mobile screen, and you look here the TV screen also playing, or you look here there is copyright problem. So look here my mobile screen is now projector screen. Play or click here play. You look here playing my projector. That's why you can connect your mobile YouTube screen on your projector. Thanks for watching.